Solving quadratic equation by completing the squares. There are quadratic equations that are not factorable. In this case, you apply another method of solving quadratic equation called completing the squares. To solve quadratic equations, ax squared plus bx plus c is equals to 0 by completing the squares, the following steps can be followed. First, divide both sides of the equation by a, then simplify. Second, write the equation such that the terms with variables are on the left side of the equation and the constant term is on the right side. Add the square of 1/2 of the coefficient of x on both sides of the resulting equation. The left side of the equation becomes a perfect square trinomial. Then fourth, express the perfect square trinomial on the left side of the equation as a square of binomial. Then 5, solve the resulting quadratic equation by extracting square root. Then 6, solve the resulting linear equations. Then 7, check the solutions obtained against the original equation. Okay, say for example, number 1, find the roots of x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, first, i-rewrite natin ang problem, that is x squared plus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. Okay, sa completing the squares, kailangan ilipat natin yung constant doon sa right side of the equation para yung terms na mayroong variables ay nandoon sa left side of the equation. Okay, lipat natin. Magiging x squared plus 2x is equals to, from negative, magiging positive. Then next, add both sides of the equation, the square of the 1/2 of b. Ibig sabihin, kukunin natin ang kanyang 1/2, pagkatapos i-square natin, i-times natin sa kanyang sarili. Okay, para makuha ang 1/2 ng 2, ita-times natin yan ng 1/2. Then, 2 times 1 is equals to 2. Then it is understood na meron 1. Then 1 times 2 equals 2, which is equals to 1. Okay, yan ang 1/2 ng ating 2. Then, i-square natin yung 1. Ang ibig sabihin niyan ay 1 times 1 is equals to 1. Ito ang i-add natin both side of the equation. Okay, i-plus natin. X squared plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 3 plus 1. Then, makikita natin the left side of the equation natin is a perfect square trinomial. Kaya, dalawa mo pinasa close parenthesis, which is equals to 4. Then ito ay x plus 1, then x plus 1. Kaya magiging x plus 1 squared is equals to 4. Okay. I-solve natin by extracting square root. Then, ito makakancel. Ang matitira na lang ay x plus 1, which is equals to plus or minus, what is the square root of 4? That is 2. Okay. Ngayon, meron pa siyang numerical dito, meron pa siyang constant dito. Kailangan yung x na lang yung matitira. Kaya, ililipat natin yung 1 doon sa kabilang side. Then, x is equals to, kapag ilipat natin ito doon, magiging negative 1, then plus or minus 2. Okay, that is now the value of x. Since meron pa tayong plus or minus dito, pwede nating hatiin yan. Meron tayong dalawang x. X sub 1 is equals to, yung positive, gagamitin natin yung positive, that is negative 1, then plus 2, then x sub 1 is equals to 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Then another one is x sub 2 is gagamitin natin yung negative. That is negative 1 minus 2 is equals to, tandaan ninyo, kapag magkasunod ang number, magkapareho ang kanyang sign, A plus na diretso. 1 plus 2 equals 3, then ikopya na lang ang kanilang sign, that is negative. Or negative 1 minus 2 is equals to negative 3. Okay, number 2 example. For what values of x is the equation 2x squared minus 5x plus 1 is equals to 0. Okay, first, i-rewrite natin yung problem, that is 2x squared minus 5x plus 1 is equals to 0. Then makikita natin yung ano natin dito, yung x squared natin ay mayroon siyang numerical coefficient na higher than 1 or greater than 1. Kaya kailangan natin i-divide both sides of the equation by 2. Kaya i-divide natin, divided by 2, then divided by 2. Then 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Kaya magiging x squared na lang. Okay, yung sa gitna naman, negative 5 divided by 2, hindi siya ma-divide dahil meron siyang remainder. Kaya mananatili siyang fraction. 5 over 2, then x. Then, ito naman, 1 divided by 2, ganun pa rin. Kaya magiging 1 half, which is equals to 0 divided by 2 is equals to 0. Then, ilipat naman natin yung constant doon sa right side of the equation. Kasi ang sabi sa completing of squares, kailangan sa left side of the equation ay mga variables. Nandun yung terms na mayroong variables. Yan yung x natin. Kaya ilipat natin yung 1 half. Then, x squared minus 5 over 2x is equals to, ilipat natin doon, magiging from positive, magiging negative. Negative 1 half. Then, add both sides of the equation by the square of the 1 half of b. Ang b natin dito is negative 5 over 2. Kaya kukunin natin ang kanyang 1 half. Paano? I-times natin ulit siya sa 1 half. Then, 1 half. Okay, tandaan, kung ma-remember ninyo, yung multiplication fraction natin, numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. Then, negative 5 times 1 equals negative 5. Then, 2 times 2 equals 4. Ito ang kanyang 1 half. The 1 half of 5 over 2 is negative 5 over 4. Ngayon, i-square natin yan. Negative 5 over 4. Then, negative 5 times negative 5 equals positive 25. Then, 4 times 4 is equals to 16. Ito ang i-plus natin both sides of the equation. X squared minus 5 over 2 x plus 25 over 16 is equals to, since positive ang natin i-plus dito at saka ito naman ay negative, uunahin na lang natin isusulat dito ito. Then 25 over 16 minus 1 half. Okay, ito sa left side of the equation natin is a perfect square trinomial. Magiging x minus, kung ano yung ipinasok ninyo dyan, ano yung g-square ninyo, yan pa rin yung number na magamit. 5 over 4, then x minus 5 over 4 is equals to, the less common denominator of 16 and 2 is 16. Then 16 divided by 16 equals 1 times 25 is equals to 25. Then minus 16 divided by 2 equals 8 times 1 equals 8. Then, ito magiging, dahil magkapareho, square natin, square of binomial. X minus 5 over 4 squared is equals to 25 minus 8 equals 17 over 16. Then, ipapasok na natin siya sa radical sign or extract na natin. Okay. Ito, matatanggal yan. Ang matitira na lang ay yung x minus 5 over 4 is equals to plus or minus square root of, ang 17 is not a perfect square while 16 is a perfect square. Kaya ito na lang yung hindi makakalabas sa ating radical sign. Kaya 17, then yung 16 is a perfect square, that is 4 times 4. Therefore, the square root of 16 is 4. Okay, ililipat natin ito doon sa kabila. Para yung x na lang yung matitira dito sa left side of the equation natin. Then, x is equals to, from negative, magiging positive. 5 over 4, then plus or minus, the square root of 17 over 4. Or, magiging 5 plus or minus, the square root of 17 over 4. Yung x natin. Okay. Kapag paghiwalayin natin ito, itong dalawa, ito na lang, meron tayong x sub 1. Ang ikukopya na lang natin ay yung positive. Magiging x sub 1 is equals to 5 plus 17 over 4. Then, x sub 2 is equals to 5 tapos yung minus 17 over 4. Ito na yung answer natin. Okay, that's all for today. I hope na meron kayo naintindihan sa topic natin ngayon.